Welcome back, guys. Today we're talking about blogs and how you can use Wanderlust Social to source blog content, make it your own, and put it up on your site in literally less than a half an hour. So if that sounds like fun, keep on watching. That's what we're doing on the show today.
Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
All right, guys, don't forget to take a moment, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell over here on YouTube. We bring you amazing content to help you grow your travel business every single week, and I don't want you to miss a thing. This week, we are talking about blogs, specifically how you can use Wanderlust Social, my favorite new place to source all kinds of travel marketing content for your travel businesses, which is so important. And if you don't already know, blogs are one of the easiest ways to help boost your SEO. So we're going to dive right in just a second. I want to also welcome all of you that are new to the channel. If you are new, type a little "I'm new" below in comments. We'd love to just say hello, welcome you to our community. And if you are new, you might not know who I am. My name is Cyndi Williams. I'm the founder and CEO of Wanderlust Campus and Wanderlust Social. And everything that we do at our two companies is in service to helping you grow. Wanderlust Campus certifies travel agents when they are new, when they are experienced, and even agency owners. So we work with you at all different levels of growth to maximize and scale your travel businesses. So today we're really dialing down on this marketing topic, though. So we're going to be talking a little bit more about Wanderlust Social today and how it can help you really kind of get a blog done. And this is one of the services about Wanderlust Social that I love so much, because I have a team that writes everything, creates everything, makes everything, and I'm just like an end user, just like you, for Wanderlust Social. So I love doing these because sometimes I go in, I'm like, I didn't even know that was there. But I don't like to write blogs. Like, that is the last thing that I want to do. But yet, it is very important that you have blog content coming out on a regular basis to help boost your SEO on your website. So it is one of the necessary things that I need to do to grow my travel brands and my travel businesses. So we do have, we need blog content. I don't want to do it. So I use Wanderlust Social just like you. So I'm going to show you on a quick tutorial today how you can use Wanderlust Social for this one dialed in topic. So with that said, I'm going to put the glasses on. You know, it's getting serious when the glasses come on. And I am actually going to log into Wanderlust Campus, and then we will share my screen so you guys can see. Okay, here we are on the Wanderlust Social site. So I'm going to log in, and then I think we'll take a peek at the bundles first so you guys can kind of see how everything is laid out here on the site. Bundles, you can check out the most recent ones that have dropped, and then also you can view all of them by going into the Shop Bundles tab here. So based on what your niches are, also there are bundles for the seasons that we're in, which I love because I train you guys on how to market and honor the season that we're in. And I also love some of the more specialized bundles that are more by theme of things, anything from romance bundles they have, or bundles for fall, bundles for spring. So there's just a ton of amazing content in here in addition to the destinations. Another great series that they're working on over at Wanderlust Social is the value proposition type of bundles that are there. That's one of the favorites. Is if you don't know how to share your value or talk about what you do as a travel agent, check out the value proposition bundles that are available. But you basically want to pick one. Like, let's say you're writing a blog. You can make your blog on a destination. You can make it from one of the seasonal ones. You can really pick any of these. I'm going to go into my personal dashboard and find the bundles that I have recently downloaded. This will be all of my bundles that I've downloaded. I'm a member just like you guys are. How Wanderlust Social works is you can just buy one bundle if you want to, but where you really get the perks is if you are a member, you get bundles early, you get all these exclusive things, you get bonus images, #vault, you get a free 10 images every single month. I have an agency, so my agents can also use the content that we create. So you get all these different perks for being a member, and of course it's way less expensive, and you can pick a one bundle a month package or two bundles a month. I'm on definitely the two bundles a month, and then sometimes I'm even purchasing more because we do a lot of marketing. But I'm going to go into this Disneyland bundle. I love this one. It's so fantastic. It just dropped recently, and it has already been a fantastically popular one. So I'm actually just going to go down to the blog section. But to give you guys the lay of the land, you get 20 images on every bundle that you unlock through Wanderlust Social. There will be some bonus content. This month, there are tips for families traveling to Disneyland, and also 6 enchanting secrets. I loved this one. I thought this was so cute. And on any of these pieces, you can go in and customize it to your liking. But I'm going right to this blog section. Yes, there's captions, there's emails, there's hashtags, there's even postcards if you do direct mail as one of your marketing types. But I'm going to go into the blog post a little bit. So usually on a blog, now depending on how you do your blogs, you could literally update this, put your company logos in it, and then download it as a PDF so it has this visually impactful look and feel. In fact, that's probably what we'll do for our blog here. But I want to show you guys how you can create this and make it your own. You even can change the brand colors. If I wanted to change this purple over to a color that matches my agency. So you'll see here, I'm on Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro, you're going to have to pull your color codes out of your brand. But I'm on Canva Pro, so I can literally just click my color here and hit this change all button. And then boom, now the entire thing is branded to my company colors. That easy. Now I can go in and I can change these paragraphs. I can update it. Typically, I will add a few things just to make it a little bit our own. And of course, I like to have a call to action at the end. So I would put contact us at Tripsy Travel to help you on your next Disneyland. Make sure you spell Disneyland right. Vacation. And then I'm going to put probably a hyperlink in there. So I'm just going to put this for now because I don't have my hyperlink saved for the purpose of this exercise. Now you'll notice that's a little bit too big, so I need to move this entire box up just a tad so it fits in the white space, and then perfect. Once I add my hyperlink in there, we'll be good to go. And then I want to update and put my website here. And then I want to put, I don't usually put the agency phone number, but I do our handle, our social handle. Perfect, that looks great. So, and I'm going to copy that actually, use this duplicate button, and then just move it up. That way my font, everything will be exactly where it needs to be. I think this is just 2 pages this time. Okay, perfect. So 2 pages, take off the little your that I took off in the earlier one. Like that. I want to make this a little longer though. So I'm just messing with the formatting to get it kind of how I like it. And I'm thinking, there we go. I kind of like it spread out like that. Yeah, that feels better to me. So I'm going to go up and fix this one. And this is just minor editing stuff. At least I don't have to create this entire document, do the research on all of these tips. It literally is ready to go. So this is small potatoes if it takes me 10, 15 minutes to kind of get it how I want it. And from there, it's pretty much good to go. It even already has the pictures in there that are right from the bundle. And now I literally can download this, and you want to download it as a PDF, I think is what works best. And you can do, I'm going to do for print. I like it to be like the most high quality it can be. And I'm going to save that. And this is going to be the piece that I'm then going to take over and put on my blog. All right, guys, if I can give you a recommendation on which bundles I would start with. If you're not sure where to start for your blog content, here's what I would recommend. The first thing I would recommend is find a bundle based on your niches. So if you sell Disney, if you sell Croatia, if you sell cruising, kind of go through and peruse all of the different destinations that are in here and pick a bundle or two that are really relevant to the destinations that you sell. That's kind of a no-brainer, right? That's a good place to start. Now, in addition to that, what would be really helpful for you, I'm going to go into the shop bundle section so we can kind of peruse all of the top ones. But there's one in here that I love. It's called a value proposition bundle. And I'm going to click on specialty because I'm guessing if we search, it will probably be there. Let's peek through. Yep, there it is. So here's the travel value or travel agent value proposition. This is an amazing bundle that talks all about your value as a travel advisor, right? If that's hard for you to articulate, I've already purchased this bundle. We've already used this content. It's fantastic. But this is one of my faves. I'll go in and so you guys can peek at it real quick. So, of course, you have some amazing images, all the other stuff that comes with the bundle. But you will find your blog post right here. That one's in the center. So there's already well-written content. You don't have to think about it. It's all done for you, and it's perfect. And then you can use all the other cool perks and bonuses that are in there too for your other marketing things. But today we're talking specifically about blogs. So far you've picked up a destination or two for your niche. You've picked up the value proposition. The third layer that I love to do in a good blog, especially as you start to grow your following on your blog, you got to put in some seasonal content. This is like my favorite thing with Wanderlust Social, because I train in Wanderlust campus when we're training certifying travel agents and certifying travel agency owners. One of the things I talk about in marketing is honoring the season that you are in. So Wanderlust Social has a ton of seasonal content. By the way, if you see this 2022, don't even worry about that. If you haven't used it before, it is totally relevant to use. So if you're like me, I know we're filming in summertime right now, but I'm already planning my marketing into fall. So if you haven't already used the fall bundle from last year, you can use it and plan your 2023 fall stuff right now. So both for marketing, but also for your blog. And these are written in a way where it's not tied into just that year, so don't even worry about that. But you can go in and you can get all of the information, and the blog post is there. How cute is this little, can we talk about my favorite picture, this pumpkin spice latte? Hello. Okay, we're getting all the fall vibes now. But you guys get the idea. Go into, when you first become a member for Wanderlust Social, or even before you become a member, you can go in and check out all the bundles. If I click into one of these that I haven't purchased yet, like I don't think, I bought a lot of these, but I don't think I have Argentina yet. Let me show you what it looks like, the preview looks like. You can go in and you can see all of where it says see the content. You can go in and there will be a little watermark over the pictures, but you really get to see what's going to be included in that bundle. So see how it has the watermark over that? That will all unlock when you're ready. By the way, fun fact in Wanderlust Social, the first 2 images you can download for free. Did you know that? So you can actually get 2 images out of any of these bundles to kind of start your journey. So check out all of that, and then it will show you what the resources are going to be. Sometimes there's fact sheets, packing lists, itineraries. Sometimes the traveler resources can be different, but those are cool to check out. And then you always get captions, you always get 2 emails, you always get a hashtag vault, and you always get a blog post in every single bundle. And then, of course, the postcards too. So those would be my recommendations for kind of building your first trifecta: destinations, seasons, and then also that value proposition bundle would be a great place to start. So for those of you that have custom websites or you've built your own websites, this is perfect. It's done. You saw that. It took us less than like 5-10 minutes to do. We have that piece and we can literally load it up, and you can put up a new blog piece every week. You can put it up twice a month. You could write your own blogs in addition to sourcing some of the Wanderlust Social content. Sky's the limit. It's totally up to you. If you love writing, you can incorporate it in. We like to have a blog post go out every single week because that's how much it really helps our SEO overall and how we're showing up on the internet in places like Google when people are looking for products that we have to sell and offer. That blog content is just fantastic to have. I hope you guys are enjoying our Wanderlust Social series that we put together for you. If you haven't seen our other videos on how to use Wanderlust Social for your emails, how to use Wanderlust Social for posting, we have a bunch on the channel. And also Wanderlust Social has its own YouTube channel. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you go check out their channel as well. I'll link that down below for you because we have an additional trainer over there that trains free for you guys how to use the product, how to get the most out of it. And literally, this is the best money you can spend from a marketing perspective. You guys have already so much to do. You're helping clients, you're building itineraries, you're doing the service of the trip. You need to spend your time being a travel agent. So Wanderlust Social really helps take that burden of marketing off of you. So I'm going to go ahead and link Wanderlust Social's information down below, but you can go to wanderlust-social.com, check out everything that they have to offer over there. It really is helpful for you as you are growing for sure. But guys, thanks again for watching this week. I'm going to be back with another amazing topic next week. Wherever you are in your journey of growing your business, I wish you so much love, so much abundance. I wish you the world. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
Hey guys, Cyndi Williams here. If you like that last video, make sure you check out all of the other content on our channel. And if you want to follow along and travel with me around the world and see how I run my amazing travel brands and get some great tips on how to grow your own, make sure you check out that other content. I'm going to drop a couple videos here. Click those links. I'll see you next time. Bye guys.